So I'm going to take the part by talking about the first part in this assignment, which is preparation for installation disk. First, you may click on the Google Chrome and you may type the Windows 10. Click on the link that was shown download Windows 10. Scroll it down a little bit and you may see the download now button. Click on it. And you may click the file that have been downloaded. In this part, you need to wait for a moment to getting a few things ready for you. Then it will show you this interface. You may read it all of the instruction and click on accept. Also, you need to wait for a moment for getting a few things ready for you. Until it will show you this interface. You may click on Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Choose on that button and click on Next. This is the Solid Language Architecture and Edition. You may click on Next again. In this part, you may choose ISO file. Click on Next again. You may save the file now. Click on Save. This is the downloading Windows 10. It requires you to wait until the 100%. It takes you for a moment to wait until 100. Now it shows verifying your downloads. Also, you need to wait until 100. Creating Windows 10 media. Also, you need to wait for 100 until it completes. Now it should burn the ISO file to a DVD. You may click on Finish. Now you done download it. Moving to next part, which is a part 2.
So next I'm gonna talk the part 2. The first one is choose the Google Chrome. Tap the VirtualBox, download VirtualBox, download Windows host, wait until the file of Windows host complete. After the file of VirtualBox done, click the file. And this will appear on your screen. Click next, next, and then click yes, yes, and install. This may take several minutes. Wait until the status complete. The Oracle VM VirtualBox installation is complete, click Finish. After click the Finish, the VirtualBox Manager will appear on your screen. That's all for part 2.
Open Oracle VirtualBox, then go to New, then on Name, write Windows 10 64. After rename it, Next, and press on the Next button, Next, and Finish. After that, go to Storage and go to Empty and click on the blue logo, Windows 10, and open. Click OK, then go to Start button and wait for the powering VM up. VirtualBox 7.0 can be appears on the screen here, and wait for the VirtualBox to open. And the next step is click Next and install now. Now we must wait for setup to start. After start, go to the I don't have a product key and click on the Next button. Read all the license terms and applicable notice and accept the license term and click Next. Choose on the below box and click Next. Now we wait for Windows to install. Windows will automatic to restart after click on the button we do previously. Now our window is getting ready and restarting. After restarting, our screen will look like this, and we must wait over and over again. Just a moment. Cortana will appear
Hi there,
on the
I'm
screen,
Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Cortana will help us in anything.
A little sign in here,
we
a touch
need.
of Wi-Fi there, ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little
We
microphone
just need
icon
to
towards the
follow
bottom
the
of your screen.
instruction given by Cortana here. After that, we must wait again. Okay, the next part is we need to select our region.
Your region is set to the United States.
Our region
Is that right?
Malaysia. Of course.
Your keyboard is set
Select
to
the
US.
keyboard
Want
layout.
to stick with that?
Yeah, so I choose US.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Then we have some important setup to do. We must wait over and over again. Okay, the next part is we need to add our account. We need to confirm our HP Support Assistant software and driver setting. we need to select our weekly schedule to check for update and messages. Okay. Alright, so we go to add my account. We can use a code. If we don't have a code, we can use a password instead. Okay, the next step is we need to set up a pin. We need to create a pin, and we need to create a pin for better privacy and security. Okay, just click accept and wait again for a moment. Then choose privacy setting for your device and click next. After choosing privacy setting, we need to customize our experience if we have to. We can skip if we don't have enough time. Okay. This is not too important, we can remind me later. Okay, after done, we go through everything like privacy, customize. So here we are. This might take several minutes. And the most importantly, please don't turn off your computer or PC, laptop, whatsoever. So I might skip here for a little bit here. Windows stay up to date to help protect you in and online work. Please don't turn off your PC. Almost there. So here we are. That's all from me. Thank you. And good luck in your OS installation window. Thank you.
Okay, so next step is step 4. Okay, the first one is we need to set time zone to Malaysia time. Okay, the first step is we need to click the window and then we select setting. And then after we select the setting, it will look like this. So we navigate to time and language. Okay, so the date and time not correct, so we need to select time and zone. For me, I will choose Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, the right one for me. Okay, so we need to set time automatically turn off, and then we on back. Okay, after we on back, we need to change now. Wait a minute. Okay, so it will show the current date and time of my current location. Okay, so the second step is show system information. Okay, first one is we need to search system information. Okay, we need to open. We look the system information. The system information window will open, displaying detail about hardware, software, and configuration. This is how the system look. Okay, step 3 is perform this partition. Okay, first one is we need to type search. We type this partition. Okay, it will look quick and format at this partition, and then we click open. Okay, wait a minute. So it will look about this partition. Okay, the first one is we need to look at the disk that we want to partition. So we need to right click on volume and select shrink volume. Okay, wait a minute. And then we just press shrink. So okay, next step is we need to right click on the unallocated space and select new simple volume, and then we next. Okay, so we choose letter M. Okay, next and finish. Okay, so it will show the new volume. Okay, so next step is I will show how to create a user account. Okay, the first step is we click the window and then we choose setting, and then after we choose setting, we navigate to accounts, and then we click add family and other users, and then we click add someone else on this PC. Okay, we need to wait. Okay, after this, we need to choose I don't have this person sign in information. Okay, click that. Okay, we need to wait. Okay, after that, we'll click add a user without Microsoft account. Okay, the first one is we need to create a username. Okay, for the first one we choose UiTM Kelantan. So to make it secure, we enter the password. Choose whatever password that you easy to memorize it. Okay, in case if you forgot your password, we can choose the guidance. Okay, first one is we choose. Second question is what the first name of your oldest cousin? I choose UM. Okay. And then what the name of the city for your parents? Okay. It's Malaysia. Okay, so next, I will show how to share a folder. Okay, we choose the folder that we create, and then right click on that folder and we choose properties, and then click sharing, click share, and then we select to everyone, and then share, Okay, so the folder is shared. Okay, so the next step is I will show Windows update. Okay, the first one is we click window and then we press setting. So we navigate to updates and security. Okay, so click check for updates to see if any updates are available. After we wait for a while, it will show the latest update. So next step is I will show how to run Task Manager. Okay, first one is we need to search and then we type Task Manager and then open. So the Task Manager, it will show how the Task Manager run. Okay, we select the to performance. We can see the CPU, memory, disk and internet. So we click app history. We can see startup, users, detail and service. So the last step is I will show how to change a computer name. The first step is we click to Windows and then we select setting. So we navigate to system. Okay, then we scroll down and we see about and then click about and then we choose rename this PC. Okay, for rename this PC you can create a name for your PC. Okay, for me I will click Azam PC. So we click next and then we start now. Wait a minute to the computer start. So to see if the name of this computer has changed or not, we need to click Windows and we press setting and then we click the system and then we scroll down, we choose about. Okay, so the device name has changed to my username is Azam PC that I create.
넌 나를 보면 마치 내